Hello friends, so today we are going to start our OpenCV tutorial how to read and show images. So I hope so you already have IDE installed in your system just like PyCharm, JupyterPilot, Sublime Text, whatever you want. So I have PyCharm installed in my system. So for installing PyCharm, just go through PyCharm, install PyCharm, and over there you will get a single command. I will provide this link in the description. There is a single command to install in Ubuntu, and for installing in Windows and Mac you have just type install Windows and install PyCharm in Windows. Installing PyCharm in Mac, you will get the solution over there. So I have installed PyCharm, so let me open PyCharm first. So just I want to show you that we are starting OpenCV tutorial today. So just be patient, everything takes times, good things takes times. So there is not a shortcut way to learn OpenCV in 1 hour or 2 hours. It will take at least 1 week to learn OpenCV, and through OpenCV is a very vast chapter. So for learning OpenCV you have to be patient. So let's start from first. We have to create a directory. Let OpenCV tutorial for all. So let's create our first class inside this. So first class, and inside this we will create a Python file, read write.py. So in my previous class I already shown you how to import, but I have shown you in the terminal. So over there we have to add the same thing, nothing. So as you can see, the import CV is showing in black color because we are not using it right now. Now when we are use it dot I am read the command in OpenCV. You can so reading for reading images, you can see it's lost. So where is my image inside my pic folder. So I have to go 2 folders back to read the image, pic slash elon. You can see it's showing a recommendation to me. Now for showing this we have to write cv2.im show method over here. On the first parameter is what the name of image you want to pass. If you want pass image, it will showing image. If you want Elon Musk, it will show Elon Musk while showing the image. So I am going to pass the Elon Musk, and the next parameter whatever image you have, read. Now for displaying, cv2 dot show method is there, im show method is there. Okay, we have already written im show method on the top. So now after this, just we have to destroy all windows, and before that we have to write cv2 dot wait key and pass the parameter 0. If you pass 0, if you don't press any key, then it's not going to be closed. If we find 5000 over here, then it will close after 5 seconds automatically. So yeah, so let's run this file. So img is not defined. Okay, we have It's take a little time because first time, so when import CV is installed, it's taking a little time to load. Now over here you can see that I have two big size image, so it's opening in a big. So this is the Elon Musk image we have, and it's open. So now our next part is that how to write. So for just writing, you have to pass the cv to dot im write. Now it's what happens over there where you want to write. If you want to write Elon dot jpg in the current directory, you can go through this and dot img which image you want to write. So this is not just going to copy the image in your current directory, that file that you read. So it's open, let me close it. Or as you can see that this file is got created. So that's it for today. So you know how to read and write, and just practice it, you will get grasp on it. There's nothing big inside this. So thank you all, let's meet in the next class. Over there we are going to learn a few new things. Thank you friends.